Hello guys, and as you can see, we will be playing Teardown again. This is part 2. If you haven't watched part 1, go check it out. We left off at this one. Now we're going to do these 3, and then in part 3, we'll do these 4. You know what? I'm going to do Clennington for its own part since it's actually a pretty good map. And here we go on Hollow Rock. Okay, and we've spawned in. I'm gonna save this for later. Don't break it. Clean it! Oh, it's gone. Whatever. This is the firewood. This is the firebox. This is fire starter. Let's make fire in. I have no idea where. It's already filled with everything. Let's start right here. The survival fire. Let's use a broom. Ooh, explosive. Ooh, empty box that has a lid. No way. Oh my gosh, it actually works. I haven't seen like an actual box in ages. Jesus, what did I do? Close up. Now, for tonight's presentation, a working box by whoever made this map. It's probably one of those teardown developers. Ta-da! Wait. Yeah, that's no, we don't want to set the warehouse on fire, do we? Don't we? We don't want to set it on fire, right? Oh, too bad. We're setting it on fire no matter what. Ooh, look. Random. Looks like a piece of metal stick. Let's burn everything. Wait a second. What is that? Can't be a furnace if it's made out of chemicals. So yeah, I'll just leave it be. Now we will destroy it with a bunch of nitro. Just place it everywhere, basically. And then we should be able to light. I totally meant to do that. Jesus. I'm only 4 minutes into the video and we got this. Ew. This little dump looks suspicious. Did it break it? No. Is it breakable? Ooh, it is. Time to mine with a simple pipe bomb. Ooh. Did it break it? No. Jesus, look at my health. Oop. Wait. Guys, I want to show you guys a secret. for all of you watching. So if you ever do get this game, and you're playing this map, and you enter this lighthouse, break this piece under the stairs. There's a whole secret pirate bunker. A pirate's guides to the 7 lakes of Lockett or whatever. It's like the whole state, I guess. I don't know. I guess it's a state or something. That's a really big old anchor. My Life as a Pirate, a local Times bestseller. X marks the spot. Swimwear for pirates. Pirates Illustrated. How to write, mainly poetry. 5 easy tricks to remember starboard to port side. Why is that such a big book? I mean, this is a normal size book. That's supposed to be 5 easy tricks? Is that like each trick is an oversized chapter? Jesus. Sword fighting 101. We're gonna need that. Ooh, what's this? English Parrot Dictionary. Grog. Who's Grog? 200 exciting variation. Oh, I guess it's like a species of some sort. Can I get that? I want a torch. How about this? Just. Ooh, whoa, I fell into the well. What's under this? I actually never checked. Could this well be like a secret passage to some underwater waterway? It is. I was right. Boop. I'm drowning, help! Is this actually gonna drown me? Because I'm under the map. You would drown normally, but would you drown? Oh, you are. Dang, you lose stuff fast. Let me in! Ooh, Will. I do that. Why is the quill so big? What feathers do these chickens have? But yeah, that's a pretty cool secret I found out the other day. Oh yeah, sorry I didn't post yesterday. I was in a big rush. I'll make up for it either tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. I'm gonna make it up. That's when. But today I'm posting this is Monday. I had to get ready for a lot of school stuff, like a concert that's coming up. I practiced a lot. Why is there so much? Oh, it's a greenhouse. That's why there's so much glass. But if there's a huge tree right there, well, I have a greenhouse. But, yeah. Doesn't make sense. A huge greenhouse. Jesus. Wait. What is this? He wants to burn this place down. A chemical sludge cooking? Sorry about that. That was my little brother. My dad just got home from work. Ew, more chemical sludge? What did I do to break it? That was not me. That's just, boopity boppity boopity bop, bada ba do da ba da ba da bop, bada ba boopity boppity da, da ba dee doo dee dee da ba da da. Hold on. Make it as powerful as possible. Boppity boopity doo dee dee bop, da dee dee doo da be da da dee da, da ba dee da dee da dee da, da ba dee da da dee. Hey guys, this is totally they're totally not just filled with gunpowder. Boopity boppity boopity ba da ba dee doo dee dee da ba da 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 ba dee doo dee dee ba da 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 ba da 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 dee da 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 da. Now we just put one line for out here. I mean, it's just a greenhouse, so one line should be enough at strength 4. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Jesus! My PC! My PC was literally about to explode. It felt like it, at least. There really is nothing. I accidentally broke this building. Ooh, more whatever this explosive stuff is. Let's just all connect it with a detonator cord. Doop, 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 doop. Yay, fire! Firebox. Boopity boppity boopity bop, ba da ba da 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 da. What should I hook? This door? Or this door? I guess I picked up a different door. Let's go plant this into the was once a greenhouse world. Actually, let's just drop it into the water. Are you ready to be drowned, fellow door? I'm also not being drowned. You will be drowned. Is that door? The door is alive. But who killed the door? Let's go to the secret entrance to enter this building. Let's start out by the network. It. Provided by local. It. I don't know what it means, but maybe you guys know. I don't know. Comment down below what do you think it means, I guess. The server room. Wait. And I killed out a whole row. Oh, that's the whole row, but can I kill out this whole row? I actually just killed out a whole row. No way. That's actually crazy. The stairs? Other stairs. What's the difference? Is this supposed to be vehicle stairs? I guess it's supposed to be a ramp since everything is in boxes. It's just, how did I do that? I can't even do that, see? I can just glitch boxes into their shelves. Jesus, this place is taking a while. I want to show you guys one more area. It took me so long to figure this out in the campaign. Like, literally. What felt like hours, months. Jesus. Wait. No, you didn't have to do it in the campaign. You had to do something for like a quest on a mod that I downloaded. It took me months, but there's an event right here. Open it, go into here, and you go into a safe that literally has indestructible walls. It leads to... What does it lead to? Oh my god. It leads to this mansion. But yeah, if you go into the mansion's basement, which this is one of the few houses that have a basement, there's the vault and there's the place I shot. I actually just managed to get this. There you have it. The vault door opened. Don't know how they got in. I'm not gonna spoil much, but yeah, somebody got in through the vault door. Don't know how they did that, but yeah. That will be it for this map. Jesus, basically, Jesus. That map took a lot of time. Now we're gonna go to the mall. Jesus. I have a lot of mods installed, but I haven't really used it yet. Besides the beam, bap, boom, bap, boom, bap, boom, bap. Whee! Mission: do not destroy a leaf at this camera. That wasn't a leaf. Let's go! Why is my camera screen? Oh, I can't. Question mark, question mark, question mark. What is this? This is actually the only thing that the time stick can't break, is this invisible wall. Even if I get it right on angle, you can't destroy it. I've always wondered. What's that? What? Am I gonna be stuck for the rest of this video? Jesus. Why is there billboards on a wall? It doesn't make sense. Is this a concert? I guess that was a mistake. Now there's just a huge breeze. This is a food court. Taco, taco. Pizza, pizza. I have no idea what that is. Loading bar. What's a loading bar? I know what a bar is, but what's a loading bar? No idea. But why is there food trucks over here then? We got taco, pizza. I guess we don't got Toaster Grill or Bam. And you can't even go inside of the actual food truck. Why did that explode? That didn't explode. Why did it explode? Why isn't that an achievement? It doesn't ever make sense. We not say that this game never. Ooh, I'm in. Cookie cook. Hot dog. Hot dog. Cookie cook. Hot dog. Hot dog. Where are the buns? I don't see them there, but I didn't even see this salad stand. What? Another? Why is there 2 salad stands? But it's 4 food trucks and 2 salad stands. Shouldn't there be 4 of everything? That makes no sense. Who's ready to rock? Wait, hold on, right. I have something. Piano fall. You can also spawn a piano that you can play. Who's ready to rock? Jesus, my arm hurts. Ow! Why is there pianos? Unplay. Unplay. You don't even just do that. Makes no sense whatsoever. Look how far away. Jesus, you need to go far back here. Maybe I don't. No way a piano actually survived. No way. But it doesn't work. Piano build. Wait, can I make a piano tower? I just turned on explode. Yes, you can make pianos explode. By the way, guys, if you want to check out more of this game, which I won't be doing 100% of it because there's a lot, but go check it out. It's on Steam. It's not free. Oh, can I hook that? I mean, it's probably supposed to hook it. But is it? You cannot tell me that this works. How powerful are these? Why would they want to do it? I think it's this way. Besides, is this even road legal to do that? I just broke the road. Bigga. It's crazy not even with the vehicles. Destroy. Ram. Ooh, the big ram. Hey, get out of my way, puny little ram. I will destroy you. To ram. Easy touchdown. Your guard is gone. I must destroy you now. Yeah. Ram into it now. That's what this is called. Yeah. Wait, no way. There's an invisible wall right here. That makes sense. Ooh, uh-oh, I destroyed copper wire. Oh, you're still here. Ooh, other people. Next map. Map number 3. Alright. Low-key. Great map. So low-key a good map. Like really low. It's a great map. But it's not my favorite. I'll just say that. But it's not Redstone either. This one. It's one of the last 4. Maybe you can guess in the comments before we get part 4 where we go over all the maps. Yeah, part 4 will be the final part of, Clunnington will, Clunnington, the map will just be one huge video. Ha ha ha. What is this? It's a welder menu? Well, I guess I do got a welder, but yeah. Take a look around. Nothing. Honestly, this might be one of you literally just destroy stuff. That gas tank would have worked in real life. Come on. I wasn't fully healed. If you check, I wasn't fully healed. Let's do this. Let's just destroy that. Honestly, the only good thing is like this huge hotel. What is it called again? The Grand Hotel? Yeah, that's right. It has 2 suites. Only 2. That's weird. But the suites are nice. I'm not even I just went into another one. That's not the exit. People gotta keep an eye which doors to exit when they have a suite. I'm on the top. I'm not on the top floor. Also, why is it only a 1-person stair? How are people gonna get their suitcase in? There's not even also, why did they make this? There's no reason for it. It's just a short way of darkness. I hate this hotel. I mean, when was it established? 1979? Yeah. Not really that old. A back door fancy club. Yeah, probably not that. Let me in now. No. Also, why is the roof that? It just doesn't work that way. Just use the bomb. Wait, miss number 1. It will stop you from being damaged. Fancy club? Is this supposed to be an 8-ball or glass? Here. Where are the balls? Actually, that's kind of sus. The fancy club ain't that fancy. It's been robbed. I mean, what am I doing? That's robbery. But why is there one stall? What is this? What is this supposed to be? Why is there a stall? That's the only thing that doesn't make sense. Please tell me. Okay, I want to do a shit. Inside your back full health. That's one. Those are just shops. We won't worry about them. I spotted looking at the sign of all things. Oh, I thought I destroyed it. Well, I kind of did. Yeah, those are just... Why is there a bar and a tobacco shop when there's a fancy one right around the corner? I guess it's not open. I might make a video of this thing and why I'd have the creators of these people know this, or if they do know this, they'll not be using them. Yeah. Ooh, what's up here? I will check this place before I want to see if it's been updated because there's really nothing besides this, I guess. Yeah, let me leave. Let me leave. Okay, we just made our way through Frankston. Wait, no. Yes. How can I reach that far? Next map. Dang, this video is gonna be 30 minutes long. Wait, that was our 3 maps. Okay. That will be the end of this video. We're also going to be doing a part 5 on the featured mods. April featured. But it's May. They forgot to change the text. It is kind of cool. I want this. All these things are free, I believe. So, yeah. That will be the end of this video today, guys, and goodbye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I know you're just gonna leave and do nothing. So like and subscribe. I mean, a viewer is enough, but please like and subscribe. Right when I'm recording this, I got 2 subscribers, and my first video is the one with most views, too.